Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial where we will talk about how to remove opening soon on your Shopify store. So let's get started now. First, let me show you how the opening soon will look like. This one is URL of my store, and if I copy this URL, and we'll paste in the incognito mode. You can see it saying opening soon. It means no one have access to my Shopify store. He can enter in my Shopify store by using the password which I have on my Shopify store. So now let's move to there, where we will remove the opening soon. So let me go back to my Shopify here. You will see a lot of different options from here. You have to tap on the option Online Store. Once you click on the icon Online Store, below you have to tap on the option Preferences, or here you can see your online store password protected. To remove the password, pick a plan. So click on the option Manage Password, or click on the Pick a Plan. Otherwise, you can tap on the option Preferences, and now you can see Password Protection. To let anyone access to your online stores, you have to pick a plan. It means if you want to remove this password and let anyone to access your store, then you have to pick a plan by clicking on the option Pickup Plan, and then you will see the plans which are available on Shopify. And this one is the basic and the most popular. They will charge $1 for the first 3 months, and after, it will be $19. So to let anyone access to your store, you have to pick this plan or any plan you want. Once you will pick a plan, the password will be remove, or you can remove it by yourself, and then everyone will be able to access to your Shopify store, and that's it.